Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. The date today is July 9th, 2026. Last night I was live streaming my brother's oil filter being cut open, and a lot of folks from different parts of the United States had mentioned that the price of Valvoline Restore and Protect 5-quart bottles have gone up by $6. And so I'm stopping at my local Walmart to see if that's true for me, and hoping that it's still $29.97 like we saw. In addition to that, we'll take a look at their motor oil assortment and see if there's anything interesting. You guys, this is gonna be really awkward because whenever I go to a store and record, it just feels like, I don't know, it feels like the world is looking at me. And so if you find value in content like this, or you just enjoy car maintenance, DIY, make sure to subscribe to the channel. All right, here we go. I actually had to pick up some CR2450 batteries for my F-150 remote. We actually have been experiencing disruptions with the remote trying to unlock and lock the vehicle, and so I'm gonna have to replace this later. Also, hope you guys had a good July 4th. My family and I ended up doing some barbecue, and then I did a lot of stuff on the lawn, cutting it and adding a little bit of supplemental fertilizer. But yeah, July 4th is usually that feels like that midway point in the summer, and you know, we're one step closer to fall. All right, we're almost there. All right, prepare for some awkwardness. DEF fluid, $9.83 for 2.5 US gallons. Valvoline still on that end cap, $26.97. All right, we are in the motor oil section. Let's jump right to the Valvoline Restore and Protect. Oh no, $35.97. Okay, well, Castrol is $25.97. Edge European $27.48. Valvoline synthetic 5 quarts $31.97. Castrol GTX high mileage $25.97, $25.97, $22.97, $22.97, $31.97, $33.97. Supposed to be a rollback. Mobile One $31.97. Extended $33.97. Extended protection 5W30 $33.97. $35.97 for Mobile One, $35.97. $31.97 for Mobile One Synthetic 0W8. Advanced Clean $33.97. Oh my goodness, I remember that when this was on sale for like $25 when I was doing Chopper's vehicle. High mileage $31.97. Hybrid $33.97. Oh my gosh, these boxes have gone up to $69.97. I think the last time we were here it was $60 even, but my memory can be messing with me. $31.97. Royal Purpose $42.88. Jumping over here, Castrol Edge high mileage $23.97. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, oh my god, $39.97 for the 5W30. $35.97 for 0W20. Platinum high mileage full synthetics $35.97. GTX full synthetic $29.97. Full synthetic 5W30 10,000 miles $32.97. We got that Motorcraft 5W20 synthetic blend $28.97, and GTX 5W20 high mileage full synthetic 5W20 for $32.97. Quaker State $29.97 for high mileage full synthetic. Haviland 6-quart conventional $26.88. $26.88 for the synthetic blend. All right, and then the SuperTech 1998 high mileage 0W20. Advanced full synthetics $26.88 for the 5-quart 0W16. $24.88 full synthetic. High mileage is $24.88. All mile coverage motor oil 5,000 miles of conventional protection $21.88. $25.97. Surely the, oh my god, Valvoline Restore and Protect $11.97 for a 1-quart bottle. Oh my god, you guys, it's happening. Oh, Valvoline Restore and Protect transmission fluid $31.97 for a 4-quart bottle. Yikes, man, that's tough. All right, well, I couldn't share my full thoughts in there because that aisle got super busy, but you guys, we are cooked, and it's not because of the heat outside. The price of motor oil has officially gone up an additional $6 for a 5-quart jug, but still, I mean, everything's already going up in price, and this is just one extra thing you got to worry about. Yeah, well, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and I'll chat with you guys soon. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.